So I just got to this website and I'm already confused. The name of the website is bodydetoxcleanses.com. The title of the website is Health and Happiness. So I've already, and even the subtitle is Be Your Greatest Version. So there's nothing about body detox cleanses anywhere except for here where it says how to detox the body using natural organic foods. And tap water, not drinking tap water, can help you cleanse too. Juicing, that can help you cleanse too. But maybe we need some categories here instead of, I think these are pages. I think we're just starting out here. But there's something a couple of things I wanted to point out here. This was going to be a quick video because I was just going to tell about how I'm at the home page, nothing after it, and he has his blogs listed here. So when that happens, most people get here and they read the blog, if that's what they're there to do, which is what I did. And I read the blog and I got down to the bottom and I couldn't comment. There was this big white space. There's something going on here, which I'm going to take a snip of. I'll just do push new. I'm not sure if that's on the screen. That's just my snipping tool from Windows, shortcut in my toolbar. So I just took a snip of that and I will save that for later. Just minimize that. But it says here we're logged in as Dean Gunter. Log out. Who's Dean Gunter? That's not me. My name's Heather Plude. So let's scroll down a little bit past this white space, and then that starts another another post. See, this is a link to another post. So, which is also uncategorized, and that was something I was going to mention. The first one is too, so we need to get some categories, and we need to only show. This is the danger of putting your posts on your homepage. Someone gets here and they want to comment, and most people will say, I can't leave a comment. There's something wrong. Usually it doesn't say you're logged in to something, so that's something. But this was going to be just a quick video on not being able to comment and what to do. And you just scroll up to the top and you click on the title of the post that you just read. And then it will bring you, see how the URL is now / this post. It's not the home page. Some people show their posts on their homepage, and that's the danger of doing that. Someone goes to your homepage and they don't know how to comment. So you don't get the comment that the person wanted to leave. Like I still cannot comment on this blog. So there's something going on with the way this blog is set up. So I'm going to alert the blog owner. Oh, actually here I can leave a reply. All right, so that was all for this video. I just wanted to show you how to get to a post if you would like to leave a reply. And thanks.